Hello students, in this video I am going to start about sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction means the two parents are involved with the formation of gametes. In this, all the living organisms have to reach a certain stage of growth and maturity in their life before they can reproduce sexually. Their growth period is divided into three phases: juvenile phase, reproductive phase and aging phase, which we have seen in previous video. Juvenile phase means growth phase. It is also known as vegetative phase, reproduction, second phase, and then aging, which is also known as senescence phase. Then in plants there are three types. Basically they are divided on the life cycle: annual, biennial and perennial. Annual means in 1 year the plant completes its life cycle. Example, marigold. In biennial, 2 years to complete their life cycle. Example, carrot. Third one is perennial. Lives more than 2 years. Their life cycle is more than 2 years. Example, capsicum. A few plants exhibit unusual flowering phenomena. Some of them, such as bamboo species, flower only once in their lifetime, generally after 50 or 100 years. The other plant species in which the flowering takes place at the 12 years is Strobilanthes cunthina. But in animals, the juvenile phase is followed by morphological and physiological changes prior to active reproductive behavior. In animals, the female of placental mammals exhibits cyclic changes in the activity of ovaries and axillary ducts as well as hormone during the reproductive phase. In non-primates and primates, there are both different cycles. In non-primates, ostrich cycle, and in primates, menstrual cycle. They both differentiate. Ostrich cycle occurs in non-primates, menstrual cycle in primates. Their examples are of ostrich cycle, sheep, rat, dog, etc. But menstrual cycle occurs in monkeys, aves and humans. Ostrich cycle, this is the time when female are receptive, when male and female copulate and fertilizers occur. In other words, we can say this is the time in which female can receive sperm. But opposite, menstrual cycle. In menstrual cycle, this is the time when there is change in female reproductive system and it is prepared for fertilization and pregnancy. In ostrich cycle, no menstruation period, but in menstrual cycle occurs. In ostrich cycle, endometrium lining is reabsorbed, but in menstrual cycle, endometrium lining is lost. In many mammals, especially those living in nature, wild condition exhibits such changes only during favorable season in their reproductive phase, and they are known as seasonal breeders, which only reproduce seasonally, and the other is continuous breeder. In there, they reproduce actively throughout their reproductive phase. In both plants and animals, hormones are responsible for all these phases, all the three phases, which are juvenile phase, reproductive phase and aging phase. In next video, we will see about events in sexual reproduction. Thank you.